What's up guys, and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be finishing up the GC8. That includes the rear subframe, front subframe, the engine, transmission, all that good stuff. It's going to go back in the car right now. So I want to start with the fuel tank, and since I'm using everything from the STI, this is literally just going to bolt in. No modifications needed, and if you are just putting a GD tank inside an RS, you probably need to mess with the wiring, the emissions stuff, fuel pump, the fuel lines, all that stuff, which I don't have to do. So yeah, let's do it quick. And here's the GD gas tank inside the RS. I ran my wires in the front, and in the back we got the RS filler neck still, which connects perfectly with the gas tank. If you use the GD one, it is longer, so you have to trim. This. I'm not sure how much exactly, but it's quite a bit. So I might do that later on. But for now, I got my emissions thing mounted. You can use a factory hole in the back. You just have to reuse the STI bracket. And even here it comes into factory holes. Even got my sway bar mounts over here, also in factory holes. Same over here. And on this side we got the fuel lines. Haven't connected them, but that's easy.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
And there's the subframe back in the car. So everything bolted up perfectly. I even got my handbrake cables connected. But I'm missing my suspension, and that's why I have this strap holding the hubs together. So now I have to free up the hoist to put the STI engine on there. Maybe using those rollers, I don't know. We'll see.
3 hours later.
And there's the engine and transmission ready to go back inside the car. So I've tried to tuck in as many cables and lines as I could. Make this as smooth as possible, but the engine came right out, so there is no reason it shouldn't go right back in. The key is to align it properly before the car comes down, because otherwise you can break a lot of stuff. But yeah, we'll give it a shot. And just like that, we've got an STI engine inside the GC8. I'm so stoked about it. It looks amazing. It fits really good. So yeah, everything should be ready for a first start. I haven't put the radiator in yet. I don't think it needs it for a first start. We're not gonna overheat it. But yeah, let's crank it up. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's running super smoothly right now. And there are no codes whatsoever, just a handbrake thing and the airbags, but that's normal.
1
Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap on today's episode. It's a huge win. We got so much done today. We pretty much went from a shell to a running car within a few hours, so that's awesome. And it would be driving if it wasn't for the suspension. But as I've said before, this thing needs custom suspension to fit the GC shell with the GD hubs. So I'm having BC make a custom set of coilovers for this. And so that's why it's taking so long. I've ordered them a few weeks ago, but it's going to be another few weeks until they arrive. But until then, I'm pretty much stuck with the build and I have final exams to take care of. So I'm not going to be uploading for the next few weeks. But after that, I'll be back with the suspension install, going to finish up the brake lines and the steering linkage. And then we can do some mad skids. But until then, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more. Check me out on Instagram. Do all that good stuff. I appreciate all your guys' support. Really, you're awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Come on.